Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Today I am going to teach in exercise 2.6 question number 7. Show that exercise 2.6 question number 7. Show that the middle term in the expansion of 1 plus x the whole power 2n is 1 into 3 into 5 etc. 2n minus 1 into 2 power n into x power n divided by n factorial. Right? Here they said show that the middle term in the expansion. First you should write what is n, what is x and what is a. Our general format is x plus a the whole power n, binomial theorem, right? So here the place of x what you have 1. The place of a what you have here x, n to n. Got it? In solution, in 1 plus x the whole power 2n, n is nothing but 2n, you cannot cancel here, right? X is equal to 1, a is equal to x. The general term of expansion, the general term of expansion is T r plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r into a power r. Right? Now, we are going to substitute the value of x, a, n and all in the formula. T r plus 1 equal to n can be replaced by 2n, c r, x can be replaced by 1 the whole power 2n minus r, a can be replaced by x power r. Got it, children? Say yes or no. 1 raised to anything, what it becomes? 1 only. 2ncr x power r. 1 raised to whatever it is, the value become 1. Now, here n is even. N is even. Will you agree or not, children? If you substitute n equal to 1, you will get it as 2. N equal to 2, 4. So, the 2n is even. N equal to 2n, that is even. If it is even, what is the middle term? How to find the middle term? I gave a formula, right? Middle term is T n by 2 plus 1. Middle term is what? T n by 2 plus 1. Now here n is what? 2n. N is what? 2n. So T 2n divided by 2 plus 1. Now this is equal to T n plus 1. T n plus 1. Now what is your r here? You have to relate these two. R equal to n, right? or equal to n. This is our equation number 1. Here what is your r? R equal to 1. Put r equal to 1. Sorry, r equal to n. Sorry, r equal to n in equation number 1. R equal to n. R equal to n. Now t n plus 1 equal to 2n cn, or can be replaced by n into x power n. Okay. NCR, how to write? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. The same formula you are going to apply here. Here how to write? In the place of n you have 2n. So 2n factorial divided by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial x power n. Have you all got it, children? Have you all understood? Yes. Now, two n factorial, you are going to expand that too in the reverse order in the numerator. 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3, etc. 4, 3 into 2 into 1. Right? The whole thing divided by n factorial into n factorial into x power n. Now you see, you are going to separate the even terms and the even numbers and the odd numbers, right? Odd terms. Separate the odd and even terms, the odd and even terms. Even terms in the numerator. What can you get? You see, which are the things are even, which are the things are odd. See here, I am going to write, you have to listen carefully. Tn plus 1 equal to 2n, it is even. Then 2n minus 2, it is even. Into 2n minus 4, that is even, etc. 4 into 2, this is your even terms. Then what should be the odd terms? 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 5, etc. 3, 1. Got it, children? Now, the whole thing divided by n factorial into n factorial. Here you have to write x power n, right? The numerator, it is a multiplication, so you can write like this, right? 2n into 2n minus 2, this is even terms, these are all odd terms. Now you see, in the even term, which number is common? Did you notice it, children? Which number is common? 2, right? See how I am going to write, you listen. 2, you should take it out, then it becomes n. Here, 2 n minus 1. Here, 2 n minus 2. 2 into 2, 2 into 1. Got it? 4 can be written as 2 into 2, 2 can be written as 2 into 1. Divided by First we will finish it up. Right? This, then. Here there is no change. Let it be as such. 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, etc. 3 into 1. Here x power n, n factorial divided by n factorial. See here, in the numerator, you are taking 2 as common. How many times you are going to take 2 as common, children? See? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to n. Right? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 n times. Right? See? 2 into 2 into 2. How will you write? 2 to the power 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How will you write this? 2 to the power 5. Right. The same way, 2 into etc. up to n means, what can you write here? 2 to the power n times. Right. 2 to the power n. Have you all understood, children? If 5 times means 2 to the power 5, if n times means what it is? 2 to the power n. So this 2, 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2 is there, here 1, 2 is there. So it is going to be 2 to the power n. Then n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into etc. 2, 1. Divided by n factorial, then into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, etc. 3 into 1. Right? Divided by n factorial x power n. Got it, children? Now, which is equal to 2 to the power n. Here, what it represents? N factorial, right? N factorial can be written as n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. up to 2 into 1, right? So, n factorial. This one can be replaced by n factorial divided by n factorial. Cancel. Then 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3, etc. 3 into 1 divided by n factorial into x power n. At last, what they are asking to prove, that we prove, right? Therefore, the middle term, right? Therefore, Tn plus 1 equal to 2 to the power n into x to the power n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3, etc. 3 into 1 divided by n factorial. Got it, children? Now I am going to move to question number 6. Question number 6, what it is? See here. Prove that the term independent. The term independent means what I told you. The power of x should be 0. Right. Independent term of x in the expansion of x plus 1 by x the whole power 2n is 1 into 3 into 5, etc. 2n minus 1 divided by n factorial into 2 to the power n. Right? Here you see given x plus 1 by x the whole power 2n. You are going to relate with the general form, right? Yeah, what is your n? N is nothing but 2n. X is x. A is equal to 1 by x. Got it? Now, general term. General term TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r into a power r. Here what is your n? N is 2n, x is x, a is 1 by x. That you are going to replace, right? N can be replaced by 2n, CR, x can be replaced by x because x equal to x, n can be replaced by 2n minus r, 1 by x, the whole power r. Now, 2n CR, x power 2n minus r. When you shift the x to the numerator, it becomes negative. So, right, see here 1 by x equal to x power minus 1. 1 by x the whole power r equal to x power minus r. So, this can be replaced by x power minus r. Now, which is equal to 2n CR x power 2n minus 2r. Law of exponent, base are equal, so you are adding the powers. Now, they said the term is independent of x. The term is independent of x. Since the term is independent of x, so you are going to equate the power of x, that is x power 2n minus 2r to 0, right? Independent of x is nothing but x to the power 0. So you are going to equate the powers of x. Then 2n minus 2r equal to 0, 2n equal to 2r, then n equal to r, right? That means what? R equal to n. That is the meaning, right? R equal to n. Now, TR plus 1 equal to, that is our general formula, right? TR plus 1 equal to what we had? 2NCR x power 2n minus 2r. Here you found r equal to n. So, Tn plus 1 equal to 2n Cn x power 2n minus 2n, which is equal to 2n Cn x to the power 0. Got it, children? Now, we are going to apply the formula, right? NCR, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Now, Tn plus 1 equal to 2n factorial divided by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial, then which is equal to 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2, etc. 4, 3, 2, 1 divided by n factorial into n factorial. Now we are going to separate the odd term and the even terms in the numerator. Separate odd and even terms in the numerator. Now, Tn plus 1 equal to 2n, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4, etc. 4 into 2, then this is even term. Next I am going to write that is odd term. 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, etc. 3, 1. The whole thing divided by n factorial into n factorial. Right? Now, in the even, there is no change in the odd term, but even term you can take 2 as common, right, in all the things. 2 here, 2 into n, 2 into n minus 1, 2 into n minus 2, etc. 2 into 2, then 2 into 1. Even terms. There is no change in the odd term, I said. The whole thing divided by n factorial into n factorial. See, 2, 2, 2, 2. How many times are there? N times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 n times means that can be written as 2 to the power n. Then n, n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. up to 2 into 1. Here 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, etc. 3 into 1. The whole thing divided by n factorial into n factorial. Here this one can be replaced by n factorial. How I said it can be replaced by n factorial? The expansion of n factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, etc. up to 2, 1. Right? Now, two to the power n into n factorial. The curly bracket I mentioned here, right? That should be replaced by n factorial. Then you have to write it in the order. That's it. 1 into 3 into 5 into etc. 2n minus 3 into 2n minus 1. The whole thing divided by n factorial into n factorial. Now what they are expecting that we prove, right? The term independent of x is what? 1 into 3 into 5, etc. 2n minus 1. Now Tn plus 1 equal to 1 into 3 into 5, etc. 2n minus 1 into 2 to the power n divided by n factorial. Got it, children? Once again, I am going to explain. You have to listen. Right? This alone. The sixth question alone I am going to explain. See here, the given is x plus 1 by x, the whole power 2n. They said, prove that the term independent of x is, right, general term. Here your n is 2n, x is x, a is 1 by x. Then t r plus 1 equal to ncr, x power n minus r into a power r. N can be replaced by 2n, 2n cr, x power 2n minus r. A can be replaced by 1 by x the whole power r. 1 by x the whole power r is nothing but x power minus r. Then I wrote 2ncr into x power 2n minus 2r. They said the term is independent of x. So you are going to equate the powers of x. Independent of x means x to the power 0. So 2n minus 2r equal to 0, n equal to r. That means r can be replaced by n. R can be replaced by n. This is your general. The next step, I have written n equal to r. That is R can be replaced by n. R can be replaced by n. So Tn plus 1 equal to 2n Cn x power 2n minus 2n, that is x power 0. The term is independent of x, so that we arrived x power 0. Next, 2n factorial divided by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial, NCR formula. Then you are going to expand in the numerator. 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, etc. up to 4, 3, 2, 1 divided by n factorial into n factorial. The next step I wrote, I separate the odd terms and the even terms in the numerator. So 2n, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4, etc. up to 4, 2. Then first one is even, second one is odd. Now, in the even term, I can take 2 as common in all the numbers. So, 2 into n, 2 into n minus 1, 2 into n minus 2, etc. up to n terms. That can be written as 2 to the power n. Then inside the bracket n, n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. up to 2 into 1. The second bracket, the odd terms, it won't be affected. Let it be as such. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2, etc. up to 2 into 1 is nothing but n factorial. So 1 n factorial cancel. We arrive the result what they are expecting. That is Tn plus 1 equal to 1 into 3 into 5, etc. up to 2n minus 1 into 2 to the power n divided by n factorial. Got it, children? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.